Welcome learners for lecture 15 of mathematical method, that is the MSc second year of a semester third. Today we discuss about the sum of the example of a convolutional integral. They also depending on the Fourier transform, but some of the example will be given in the type of the convolutional integral. Let us go to started about the convolutional integral. In the previous lecture we discuss about the sum of the cosine and sine transform integral for the Fourier condition. Then after that convolutional integral is depending on the this example. Okay, let us start it to the example, that is the example first. Lambda into f dot g will be considering equals to function will be generated, that is a f into lambda g equals to lambda is a common, then f dot g is also containing. In this function we defining on the content, that is a lambda is both of this condition will be generating, some of they will be generated into f dot g, sum of will be containing as a lambda is getting as a form, that is a g. Okay, what is the proof or the solution of this equation? Not a proof, they will be getted as a solution. Okay, we know that by definition of a convolutional integral, f dot g equals to generated as a function, that is a 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity. Function will be generated, that is a f t minus u into gu du. Okay, this is a different form. In the Fourier transform we defining on the sine cosine sum of the integral from will be generated, but in this example by the convolutional integral they generated as a different formula. Okay, this is a general formula of a convolutional integral, that is a f dot g means f into g equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f t minus u g into u du. Okay, this will be the function getted as a equation first. Then lambda is multiply this equation in the general formula, that is lambda multiply lambda into f, g is a common of a bracket, equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f t minus u, they containing as a gu du. Okay, this will be the form is a containing, but lambda is multiply the equation, then lambda is contained as a lambda upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t minus u gu du. Okay, this will be considering of the form. You know that this lambda is a common form, and how to converting this equation into the generated form, this is called as a f dot g. Okay, why it will be getting, because f dot g equals to this equation is a generated. Okay, hence lambda is a common in this equation generated as a f dot g by giving as a equation first. This is called as a equation second. Okay, this will be the proof by using as a this equation. This is the proof of this equation. Next will be containing now proof function will be common, then lambda into g equals to lambda is a f dot g. Okay, by equation first we getting as a formula f dot g equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t minus u gu du. Okay, function f is a common, lambda multiply only as a g. Okay, where is a g, 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t minus u, this is a lambda considering as a gu, put up this value into du. Okay, you know that this lambda is a constant form, they containing as a um, in this form in a common in the integrating value, then lambda upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t minus u gu du. Okay, this will be generated, then lambda is a common, this function you know that of the form, that is a f dot g by equation first, this will be generated as a equation third, hence proof. Thus from a equation second and third we get it as a form, that is a lambda into f of g equals to f lambda into g equals to lambda is containing as a f dot g. This is the this example will be given as a value, only get it as this function of the value, that is a function of the value, that is a f dot g is a common in both of the cases, but only generated as a formula, that is a f dot g equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity containing as a form, that is a t generated as a value function f into t minus u gu du. Okay, this formula will be used and this is a proof of a equation. Let us go to the second example of this form. Same as the both of this condition, only changes as a value for getting as a constant value or the another value will be generating. Okay, then next example will be generated. We have the definition of a convolutional theorem. F dot g formula will be used as the form 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t minus u gu du. This is the equation for. Then put up to the value what common of this function. F is a common, g t h will be putting is this value. Okay, then g will be containing as a gth. Okay, 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity function will be containing f t minus u gth will be putted as a only g, u is a common, du. Okay, then solve this example. 1 upon square root of a 2 pi of this value integration minus infinity to infinity f of t minus u containing of both of this value will be generating, that is the this u multiply of this equation, that is a generated as a value for considering as a equation. Okay, they generated as a value, that is a gu containing of the value plus hu will be generated of the function of the value both of this equation. Okay, then separated of this form in this equation, that is a 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity function will be generated t minus u gu first will be containing as a common gu du plus 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t minus u, this is a hu du. Okay, separated of both of these condition, then generated of the function f multiply of both of these condition by using as a value, that is a function f generated, this is called as a f dot g and this is called as a f dot h, because value of a g is the same as by using as a formula. Okay, plus separated of two condition will be uses. Okay, then f dot h, f dot h because of value will be generating of this equation, h will be put up. Okay, by equation 0, by 0 from equation first. Okay, this is the second example, only separated of the equation for generating as a value. Generally this example is only containing as a value, that is a form f dot g, then put it as a value, then g will be constant. Okay, this example will be have the marks only as a 5 marks for getting as a question 5 that will be generated unit first, second, third and fourth for the 5 mark. This example, that type of example to containing as a 5 marks. Okay, hence proof to the value, that is a function containing function of a gth equals to f dot g plus f dot h. This will be the second example. Let us go to the third example. Okay, if f dot g equals to g dot f, both of this value will be exchanging to the function. Let us go started as a solution. We know that the definition of a convolutional theorem, that is a f dot g equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t minus u gu du. Okay, this is a first form. Put value t minus u equals to v and u will be containing to the value, that is a generated t minus v. Okay, both of this condition will be uses, then put up to the value, then when it will be differentiated to the form, that is a du equals to dv, means a du equals to generating as a minus dv of the form. Okay, then limit will be also changing of this equation, u equals to minus infinity and v equals to infinity of the value, and when u equals to infinity, then v equals to minus infinity to generated as a value for changing of this equation of the value. Then f dot g equals to put up all this value and changes to the form, that is a 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration infinity to minus infinity f of v g t minus v minus dv. Okay, all this value will be put up on this equation, then value will be changes, minus sign is a common for the dv, 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration infinity to minus infinity f of v g t minus v dv. Okay, then solve, replace v tends to u by changing to the value, then it will be getted as a form, that is a f dot g equals to minus 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration infinity to minus infinity f of u g t minus u du. Okay, both of this value will be changes. Then minus 1 upon square root of 2 pi, integration changes, then value is also changes to the form. When value u changes, du is also changes to the integration of the form in getting as a value, that is a 1 upon square root of 2 pi. For value will be changes, then minus sign is applied to the form, that is a minus infinity to infinity f of u g t minus u du. Okay, value of a minus changing because put up to the value of a f dot g. 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity g of t minus u f of u du. This is called as a f dot g equals to this all function generated to the g dot containing of the function f. Okay, this will by equation first, then it will be containing to the form f dot g equals to g dot f for function will be uses to the form. This is a third example for generating to the form and changes to the value. Okay, both of this value or the example is depending on the form, that is a convolutional integral, only changes to the value of a function. This all example is only depend as a 5 marks, then that type of a question will be generated as a 5 marks question.